Hello, and welcome to TeamBoard ProScheduler. Today we'll explore how to monitor your resource performance using our reports and dashboard. These features are designed to help managers get an overview of the project and each resource used. With TeamBoard ProScheduler's reports, you can view detailed reports by team or individual within a specific period you choose. Get an overview of their capacity, scheduled hours, logged hours, and even their overtime or undertime. TeamBoard ProScheduler makes it easy to tailor your reports. You can choose the data fields that matter most to you and focus on specific tasks, analyze team progress, or track individual performance. You can also switch reports to the hierarchy view and group by project, assignee, and task for a quick comparison of scheduled time and time spent. Need to share your insights? Easily export reports to Excel for further analysis or sharing with your team. Let's move on to the dashboard. This tool allows you to visualize data by team or individual, enables you to manage resources effectively, and keeps your team on track. With the dashboard, you can get an overview of project progress overview, statistics resource utilization, and compares with the previous period, team statistics by task progress, overall report by actual utilization and undertime. Unlock the power of TeamBoard ProScheduler to enhance your team's productivity. Try it now and streamline your project management process.